You push it up so I can take that out. Moving.
What the fuck's holding it in place? Look at it. There's nothing. You know what I mean? What is holding this in place? Like if I let go, it's something's being suspended.
Something underneath there.
It's that wiring harness.
Is it?
It's almost. Put the bolt back in. Well, that tape is just holding.
It's holding a clip. Do you see a piece of tape sticking up there at all? Or?
Yeah.
And untangle it a bit.
Woohoo! He's hot. Get out of there. No way.
That's the only way I can see getting that off. There we go.
So, what do you want to do with this tape?
Pull it off. There. Is that released?
Gas spraying down.
Yeah, I know. I can smell that.
Boom! You sure there's no zip tie underneath the
Number 3. The water pump.
Okay, because we're not just dropping out. Hey, wait! Because it's going to fall this time. It still doesn't go. Look,
Wait.
something's still holding it.
Let's see what this. See that's away from it now.
What's holding
Maybe
this?
just leave it there. We should take this off of here, see? And then we can remove this whole thing and just leave that laying on the side. Take this right off of the pump. See the bolts?
Okay, bolt it back up again.
Back in the shit back.
They're dynamic, we're dynamic. Hey! You guys are dynamic, we're dumb-namic. We're dumb-namic. Dumb-namic.
Yeah. That's a real mechanic.
Hey, you know
And then
what?
there's us.
You know what? Why don't we just undo this hose instead? It's clipped.
That's what I said.
Yeah, just undo the hose. Fuck it.
Well, it's already too late.
Fuck that. Undo the hose. Parsing hose.
It's a
Yeah.
freaking bullshit motor.
It's
here.
holding the compressor up. Yeah, it's too late now.
There's a lot of shit in there.
Yeah, I'll put a Mustang motor in here.
Yeah, there you go.
A 1972.
Fuck that. You're gonna soak this in solvent and let it go.
All right. Hey, you want to lift up on that thing?
You know what? Even if you undo that, the hose still is connected underneath it. Fuck, I hate the smoke cigarettes.
Yeah.
You know, even when the car in front of me is smoking, I can smell it. It's annoying.
It's a freaking incredibly long screw.
Oh, man.
Have any customers now? You know, you at the shop.
I can't tell because they pull in front there, but nobody.
Not like they want me to be doing their photos with dirty hands like this.
Oh my.
Just need to pry that. I should have taken that hose on.
Yeah, who cares if it pissed out? But it would have pissed out everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what we could have done? No, I would have pissed out. I thought maybe we could put a little nut in there. No.
Something to pry up on there so I can. There we go. Should be able to pull it up now. Yeah, it's loose. Alright. We'll be back in a bit. Pain in the butt. Can I separate now?
Okay, you grab that piece.
Oh man. I'm gonna put this camera down. Mother of Pete. That was freaking crazy getting off there, y'all.
Okay, you know what else we could do?
Friggin' piece of shit.
No, I don't want it sitting there.
No, I don't. You gotta take these friggin' hoses off and let them drain into the bay down below. And
You know, if you undid this screw right there,
yep.
that's the AC line, and undo the hose, we can almost just get it out of the way. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I can do that. You wanna do that?
So you undo the hose.
I'm not
the
responsible.
I think that's, you know, that's what was holding it.
Okay.
That's, if that wasn't holding it, we'd have more room here. Because I don't want to kink this hose, eh? Well, it's not being kinked, really. No, oh, that's, look, it's
Oh,
sliding.
it's sliding, yeah.
Oh, it's sliding, so.
You should be able to slide it. It's got lots of room here on this side here. Yeah, we can. Yeah, maybe we will remove it because then we could just pull it up.
Well, and then,
Yeah, it's
then at least we could, oh, no, look, there's only a foot. At least, maybe we could put it in here.
yeah. We'll
It
put
has
it
to
in.
be undone anyway.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
All
It
right.
has to go.
Pain in the ass, this motor.
You gotta think of a sequence.
Of course, we don't know what we're doing either. So.
When you put it back together, we have to
Amateurs.
have a good, proper sequence. You know, I think if that was if the hose was undone and that was undone, we wouldn't have to have taken it apart the way we did.
Probably not. But we're amateurs.
Yeah. We could almost put this back together.
No. I'm not putting it back together after that. That was crazy. Anyways,
We could
later,
put it back
folks.
together and put it in this tray.
We will put it back here and put it back in that tray. Later.
Well, just undoing that gave it more room anyway.
Yeah.
You want to try to undo the plug to it? I don't think you need
No, I
it.
don't. No worry.
Oh. Really, it's not.
No need to. Just the plugs on here that we got to take off. Actually, this will come off when we take that off. Well, I guess I should take it off anyway. Well, let's just take it. I like that on there.
Is that plug
Taking
being?
that off.
You know what? There's tension on the plug because the wire is so short, eh?
Can you get underneath that plug to see how it comes off, or?
Here, can you?
Yeah, I'll get it. Oh my god.
Because if we can't, we don't have to wreck the wire. Great.